back, YouTube. I'm gonna be making a short video here about something that really bugs me, and it has to do with installing an aftermarket intake and your AOS. So when you install an aftermarket intake, the hose that usually goes from your AOS vapor port to your intake, where the oils get put back into your intake track, gets taken off on a lot of intake systems, and then they tell you to put a breather on it. Well, you can see this breather has all kinds of junk on it. I have numerous times pulled it off, cleaned it, put it back on just to have it get gunked up again, and honestly I am tired of doing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking this off and putting a hose, just like on diesels. I had a Ram 2500 that was deleted and tuned, and they ran a hose directly to the ground, so you didn't have to deal with this sort of thing. I got this hose from Napa. It is 3/4 of an inch,